Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. I'm just going to share to you simple resolution for this. So first is you need to click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Windows Update. We need to make sure that we are running the latest updates of our Windows and we are downloading and installing the latest updates for it. So simply click this button, check for updates, and this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows. And once done, once you're updated, close out of here and then continue the installation process. But first, you need to make sure also for the services if the Windows update is running, so that you're not going to face any error with your updates or updating your Windows. So scroll down to the W section and you'll find Windows Update. Make a right click, select Properties. And here you'll find Startup Type. Make sure that it's automatic. If this is not yet running, you have to click on Start, Apply, and then OK, and simply close out of here. Then if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, then try to temporarily disable that because that might block the installation or interrupt the installation. So in my case, I have this Malwarebytes. So in your case, if you like mine, you are using the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, or any of the third-party antivirus softwares, then we need to temporarily disable that. So simply close out of here, and here you'll find in the Show Hidden Icons in the taskbar, I'm using Malwarebytes. Make a right-click, select Quit Malwarebytes. And after disabling the third-party antivirus softwares, try installing the Visual Studio again. Then we can also run the system file checker scan. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here you need to type sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now. Hit enter. So this will fix for corrupted system files and check for any integrity violations. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize by clicking on the minimize button, but do not close the window. And once this is 100% completed, simply close out of here, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, continue the installation process. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.